Eton, the generations that built a global shirt empire. Friends, this is the third video on the glory of Eton. See what hard work, constancy, and a strong will to excel can lead you where. When we talk about Eton, we are not just talking about a shirt company. We are talking about a family vision that has passed from one generation to the next for almost a century. Very few companies in the world can proudly say they are still family owned after nearly 100 years. Eton is one of them. The journey began in 1928 in the small Swedish village of Gånghester near Borås. The founders were David Pettersson and his wife Annie Pettersson. This was the first generation. They did not start with big machines or global ambitions. They started with craftsmanship. At that time, Sweden was not known internationally for luxury fashion. It was known for textiles, especially in the Borås region. The Petterssons saw opportunity in quality. Their first shirts were designed to last. In those early years, the focus was durability, strong stitching, and premium cotton. Sweden's textile industry was growing, and Eton slowly built a reputation for reliability. In the 1930s and 1940s, even during difficult economic times and the Second World War period, the company survived because it focused on quality rather than quantity. They were not yet global, they were building foundations. The second generation entered when the founder's son, Gustav Pettersson, took leadership in the mid 20th century. This period was critical. Sweden was modernizing, Europe was rebuilding after the war. Demand for higher quality ready to wear clothing increased. Gustav understood that the future was not only in manufacturing but in brand positioning. Under his leadership, Eton refined shirt construction techniques. They improved collar stiffness, introduced better interlining technology, and focused on wrinkle resistance. The company expanded within Scandinavia. Production capacity increased. Employee numbers grew steadily as the company modernized its factories in Gånghester. During this period, Eton became known as a premium Swedish shirt maker rather than just a textile producer. The third generation marked a turning point toward internationalization. When the next generation of the Pettersson family stepped in during the late 20th century, global markets were opening. Luxury brands from Italy and France were dominating the premium shirt segment. Instead of competing on price, Eton decided to compete on precision. This generation invested heavily in fabric innovation. They began sourcing high quality cotton from Egypt and other premium cotton producing regions. They developed signature finishes that made shirts smoother, brighter, and more durable. They introduced their famous wrinkle free technology, which became a major selling point in the global market. Expansion accelerated during this era. Eton entered markets in Germany, the United Kingdom, and the United States. Distribution partnerships with high end department stores allowed the brand to move beyond Scandinavia. Employee numbers increased as the company built stronger export operations. Revenue grew steadily as international sales began contributing a larger share of total income. Then came the fourth generation, which includes current leadership such as Sebastian Pettersson. This generation inherited not just a company but a global brand. The world had changed, digital retail was rising. Luxury consumers expected both tradition and innovation. Under modern leadership, Eton strengthened its identity as a global luxury shirt specialist. The company expanded to more than 50 markets worldwide. Today, Eton products are sold in major cities including New York, London, Milan, Paris, and Tokyo. The company operates flagship stores and partners with leading luxury retailers. Employee numbers today are in the hundreds globally, with a strong presence in Sweden for design and product development. Production is carefully managed through long-term partnerships with specialized manufacturers to maintain quality standards. Revenue has grown into the hundreds of millions of Swedish kronor annually, placing Eton firmly in the premium menswear segment. What is remarkable is that despite global expansion, the company remains privately owned by the founding family. This has allowed long-term thinking instead of short-term profit pressure. Each generation focused on a different strength. The first generation built craftsmanship. The second strengthened production and regional presence. The third expanded internationally and invested in fabric innovation. The fourth globalized the brand and embraced digital transformation. Shirt development evolved significantly across generations. Early shirts were durable and practical. Mid century designs improved fit and collar structure. Later decades introduced luxury cotton blends and advanced wrinkle free finishes. Today, Eton shirts combine traditional tailoring with modern slim and contemporary fits, advanced finishing processes, and attention to sustainability. How did all this happen? It happened through consistency. The company never tried to become everything. It focused on one category, premium shirts. Instead of expanding into fast fashion, it specialized deeply. That specialization built authority. It also happened because of location. Being near Borås, Sweden's textile hub, allowed access to skilled workers and textile expertise. Over time, Eton transformed from a local Swedish manufacturer into a respected international luxury brand. From a small village workshop in 1928 to a globally recognized premium shirt company operating in over 50 countries, the journey of Eton is a story of generational discipline, innovation, and vision. In the next video, we will explore how Eton competes in the global luxury fashion market today and what challenges and opportunities lie ahead.